Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to be giving you tips to improve the volcada, the very famous tango volcada.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor and we're going to show you the volcada.
So here we go. We are doing this. Side step 1, zoom, contact, volcada, up, cruzada, resolution. So what are we doing here?
Yeah, this is a simple volcada, very basic one, but there's a lot of technique on this.
Yes.
It will be too long, the video, if we talk about all the technique that you have here, but for that you have online tango training.
Yes.
So now we're going to show you very important point. First one is the connection. What is a point of connection between the follower and the leader?
Yes. So here's the thing. And stay until the end because at the end we are going to show something very, very important that most of the followers are missing. So,
Yes.
so here's the thing. First thing that we are going to be working on is that the leader should get closer to her when preparing the volcada. So it means here, as I'm leading the little low voleo, I'm getting closer with my right hip bone. So when I create the space, I'm lifting and already from the very beginning, I'm in contact. Yes? In order to continue all the way, the contact happen in the hip position. And then we bring her into the cruzada.
So the point of connection for the leader, from the leader, is the right side, and followers is your left side. So when he offers the right side of the upper body, hips, and ribs, right? I use that support. So I give a little pressure point with the left side, also going a little bit forward with the hips on the front, to use that connection and avoid using the arms.
No, please.
Because that will be so heavy for them. It's not safe for our back. We have a lot of students coming from milongas where they were led to do a volcada. It wasn't a space here from the leader, and because they have no technique, and she was using the arms, and then that will hurt the back. So please use the lower body to support the volcada, and will be much easier for both.
Yes, it's a healthier position. So now the other thing for the leader is that I'm trying to scoop her up as I'm lifting her, also with my forearm. So do not think that she has to go down to extend the leg and come back, because some of the leaders, they have this tendency in bringing the arm. Actually, this one scoops her up and almost she ends up on top of my hip bone. Let us do that one more time.
Yes.
One. Pay attention to my right arm. One. Can you see that already from the beginning I'm doing this? Zook. Once we have that, then I continue, especially at this moment, I'm lifting her. If I let her go a little bit, she will start sinking, sorry. And then I will go up, pushing the floor with the back leg, and then resolution. So basically, we don't need the left arm. I mean, we use it for her to feel comfortable in case she loses balance or whatever. We have this point of connection, but the main connection for us leaders happen on the right arm.
Let's rotate so they can see the instruction about that from the right side of the leader, left side of the follower. We have the low voleo, preparing, we connect already here. There's a very strong connection before going off axis. Now going off axis, we keep the connection until he goes back to center. And here I have to feel center before sending the leg. And from the position, we go to the resolution. So if you watch the video many times, you will see a lot of other details, very important during the volcada, that you must know in order to avoid hurting your back and your body.
Yes.
Now, talking about the volcada, before the little tip, volcada could be also used for social dancing.
Yes.
And also used for stage performances. Of course, the shape of the volcada changes as other figures. So let's show them the dynamic on social dancing.
Okay.
The size of the step will be smaller, much smaller, and it's a little dynamic.
Sure.
Different dynamic, I mean. So
Quick note before we continue with this second part of the video.
please visit our website, miriamleonardotango.com. You will see our tango school, online tango training. You will find a lot of videos, a lot of content to learn and improve your tango level.
Below, we're going to leave a coupon code for 20% discount in downloadable videos. So take advantage of that. Again, our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So you saw the same move, the same volcada, with the same connection, same technique, but it's extending in a syncopation. It's going around
Yes.
a little faster to the cross without opening much, without going much off axis, right?
Yes, absolutely. And one thing that I'm doing, the shorter it gets, the less we're going to need the hip, of course. So if you notice, we did it kind of faster and shorter. So I end up transferring the connection from the hip bone a little higher to the rib cage. Yes, the farther back we go, the more we are going to use the hip bone. But in this case, for
Yeah.
example, we still have the same connection, not using supporting her with the arms. I will do it slow motion, but think that this is the faster version. And already pushing forward, tuck. Did you notice that we still have connection, but not as strong with the hip, like in the long one, and bringing her into the cruzada, and then resolution.
Yeah, it's very important to know the difference between social dancing volcada and stage or tango nuevo, also when the milonga is not too crowded, like later at night, you
Yes.
can do it larger. Don't do a large volcada if the milonga is on the main hours, like a
rush
lot of
hour.
people, rush hour of milonga, because you will hurt someone. Now, let's show you again, one more time, the two versions. The social dancing first. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then, in case you want to do it slower and larger, the connection will change to lower position, more support from the hips, going to the cruzada, and resolve. So it's kind of different shape on the same step.
Yes.
Now we have a little tip.
Yes, and remember that I was mentioning, leaders, that you need to scoop her up. It has also reasons. It's also to help her improve her lines.
Yes, followers, without any lead, you have to know there is a very important technique for this, which is, in this case, if I do the volcada with the left leg, the right leg will be my main strong leg. So I don't put attention much on the moving leg, because I have to put a lot of attention on the right leg, which is the supporting leg, and which is always that extending position will keep my torso and our axis for followers and not putting that weight on the leader's center or body. So let us show you that in slow motion so I can show you when is the moment. This is like soft knee because I'm doing the voleo. When I know, oh, okay, he's lifting me and he's moving off axis to my front, then I have the right leg extended and lifting my torso. So it's not here hanging, it's lifting, my energy goes up from the right leg. The left leg is free of weight, I don't use it. And when he goes off axis, all the time I'm pushing the floor on my right leg. So the heel is off the floor. I will do something wrong.
Sure.
Heel down. That's heavy for him. I go push the floor with the toes, waiting for him to move forward. I go on my right leg, going to the cross, and then lowering the position to resolve. This is so important.
Yes.
Makes the figure with nicer lines, styling, and also makes her body or followers body lighter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Much lighter.
It becomes very, very heavy, And that's why we were talking about today about this. I feel a lot of followers having good connection. The voleo is very pretty, but then when they extend the leg, the one on the back is like with the heel down this way or
Soft.
in position, which is not good. So if she feels that we are lifting her, she can extend. The more we can get her to be on her big toe, the better. Yes. So if she is like, for example, on the ball of your foot, it's not wrong, but it's even better if we get her to be on her big toe.
This is a very important tip. There is much more technique on this. Again, go to online tango training, our tango school, and you will see how much technique you have on this. But did you know that the right leg was the main leg for the volcada? Did you have that technique before?
Were you using it? If you're here, thank you very much for your support.
Thank you for learning from Miriam, Leonardo Tango. And remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and keep watching more videos.
Once again, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.